How to see when someone was last active on Snapchat. To get started, first of all, open up the Snapchat application on your phone. You will then be taken to the camera screen on Snapchat. On this screen, go to the top left corner and tap on your profile. Here, you can edit and view your profile information on Snapchat. Now, scroll down a bit and find the section Snap Map and then tap on it. Tap on the Bitmoji avatar of your friends. Here, you can see this person was active 2 minutes ago on Snapchat. You can also see their live locations in Snap Map and drop by if you're somewhere near to them. Or you can just send a message or a snap to let them know about your whereabouts. So, by following these easy steps, you can see when someone was last active on Snapchat. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.